Welcome to our latest product comparison video where we dive deep into the features and customer feedback of two popular treadmills, the Sperax treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we're here to help you decide which treadmill might be the right fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to pricing, the Sperax treadmill is positioned as a higher-end option at $499, suggesting a premium experience. In contrast, the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad is more budget-friendly at $259, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the DeerRun, highlighting its value for money, while Sperax users are satisfied with the quality they receive for the price. In terms of innovation, the Sperax treadmill offers a 2-in-1 folding design, appealing to users seeking versatility and space efficiency. On the other hand, the DeerRun 2024 boasts app-controlled workouts, attracting tech-savvy users who prefer a more interactive exercise experience. Amazon reviews reflect a preference for the innovative folding design of the Sperax for those with limited space, while DeerRun users enjoy the convenience of app integration. When assessing power and performance, both treadmills offer compelling features. The Sperax shines with its 2.5 horsepower motor praised for its strength and reliability. The DeerRun, while matching in power, is lauded for its silent performance, making it ideal for users seeking a quiet workout experience. Reviews highlight the powerful performance of the Sperax and the whisper quiet operation of the DeerRun, catering to different user needs. Space-saving capabilities are crucial for many users, and both treadmills excel in this area. The Sperax is celebrated for its no-assembly and space-saving design, appealing to those looking for convenience. The DeerRun, with its space-efficient design, is perfect for users with very limited storage options. Reviews commend the easy storage and setup of the Sperax, while the DeerRun is appreciated for its ability to fit in even the smallest of spaces. Overall, Amazon reviews depict the Sperax treadmill as a reliable, versatile, and powerful option for users seeking a premium workout experience, albeit at a higher price point. The DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad, on the other hand, is celebrated for its affordability, quiet operation, and tech integration, making it a great choice for budget-conscious and tech-savvy users. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Sperax treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. For more details and to purchase these treadmills, check out the product links in the description. See you in the next video.